Hi friends, welcome to Excel Festive. In this video we are going to see how to create the pivot chart. See here I have given one rough table. Here the brand column is 0 and then the product I have given and the location and the quantity is sold. Okay, the random table I have given, these are the details. For these details we are going to create the pivot chart. See here, for creating the pivot chart, at the top under the insert you have to select the insert. Under the insert the pivot table is there, right? You have to click that arrow and there will be the two options, pivot table and pivot chart will be there. You have to select the pivot chart and then this dialog box will be opened. Here, see here the table is automatically selected. It's asking new sheet or the existing worksheet to create the pivot chart. I have selected it, automatically will be the new worksheet. Okay, let it be like this and press OK. In the new worksheet the pivot chart and with the table it will be open like this. See here there is an option, based on the option you are giving the table will be formed and the pivot chart will be created automatically. Okay, here are the option is there based on our table. Now I am just see here selecting the location. So location and quantity. Location is coming to row axis and the quantity is coming in the values. Okay, here down. So based on that selection the table is created, pivot table, and based on the table the chart has been created. And here that title also you can able to edit here. See here I am going to write the like a comparison chart. Okay, you can put some analysis chart, whatever the requirement, based on your requirement you can edit here the title also. Okay friends, see this is a graph based on the location. See the graph has been sold based on the sales. Now see here I am going to select the product. So product is came to the row axis. Okay, see under the each location whatever the product has been sold that will be shown here in the graph. For example, east location whatever the product is sold it is showing here. At the top you can see the layout is there. Under the layout there is a option data labels. Select that and here there will be the option like this. Okay, center, inside, end, inside, base. So whatever the selection you are giving, see I have given this option. So based on that the quantity, how much sold in that location, that particular product, that will be the quantity will be mentioned in the graph. See next, whatever the option you want you can give. Now I am in the inside end. So inside the graph itself at the end it is showing the quantity number. Next I am going to select the last one, outside end. See once I select the outside end, based on the graph the outside the graph it is showing the quantity, how much is sold each location wise and the particular product wise. Okay, now see here the table location I have removed, only I kept the product. Only I kept the product means in the row, see the table is formed like that and based on that the comparison chart has been given, pivot chart. See each and every product and how much it is sold, the chart is given like this. Okay friends, see now I am removing the location also, only the quantity is there in the values. Now I am going to select the brand. See now the pivot chart has been changed based on the brand, how much quantity is sold it is giving the output. Now next the product I am selecting. See here, see each brand, Apple and Samsung. Under the Apple how much product are there and how much it is sold it is given in the chart, you can see here. And under the Samsung what are the brands are there and how much quantity sold that is given here, and the quantity also is given through the data labels. Okay, this is very easy and simple way to create the pivot chart. Based on your requirement you can change this, change the pivot chart based on your manager requirement or your requirement. However you wanted to create the chart you can easily create the chart. Okay, this only the pivot chart, through using the pivot chart the table will be created automatically and then the chart also based on the table it will be shown. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please keep watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next wonderful video.